With the rise of digital finance, money transfer apps have revolutionized the way we send and receive money, making transactions faster, easier, and more convenient than ever before. Whether you're splitting a bill with friends, sending money to family overseas, or making online purchases, there's a money transfer app to suit your needs. With the likes of some very popular apps like Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, Apple Pay, and many others, it's up to you to choose which one favors you more. Well, today, we will be taking a closer look at PrizePicks, and we'll be seeing how to withdraw money from PrizePicks easily. We will be back after the short intro. First of all, PrizePicks is a daily fantasy sports platform that allows users to create fantasy lineups based on individual player performance in various sports leagues. Users can win cash prizes based on the accuracy of their picks and the performance of their chosen players in real-life games. To withdraw money from PrizePicks, you will need to follow these steps. 1. Log into your PrizePicks account. 2. Navigate to the Balance or Withdraw section of your account. 3. Select the withdrawal method you prefer, such as PayPal or direct deposit, and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. 4. Follow the instructions provided to complete the withdrawal process. And finally, wait for the withdrawal to be processed and for the funds to be deposited into your selected account. Please note that there may be specific terms and conditions and minimum withdrawal amounts set by PrizePicks, so be sure to review this information before initiating a withdrawal. Well, this is the end of this video. And if you found it helpful, then don't forget to give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fintech videos such as this one.